Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Lin step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Lin, means woods. Forest, and Chinese surname Lin. For example, 森林 forest, 森林 forest. The guide stopped us going into an ancient forest. The guide stopped us going into the ancient forests. 向导拦住我们，不让我们进入原始森林。向导拦住 stopped 我们，不让我们进入原始森林。向导 the guide, 拦住我们，不让我们进入原始森林。The guide stopped us going to the ancient forests. 向导拦住我们，不让我们进入原始森林。My daily handwriting on the character Lin. Lin, woods, forest. Chinese surname Lin, 森林 forest. The guide stopped us going to the ancient forests. 向导拦住我们，不让我们进入原始森林。林。Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character Lin. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.